So hi mga loves, so I am here at K Studio right now. Guess what? I finally gonna do my microblading. I've been wanting and thinking about it for such a long time, and I think this is the right time to do it. So if you wanna see my microblading adventure, tara samahan niyo ako. Alright loves, so I am laying down here, and Kay put something on my eyebrows for numbing up, and I don't know for how long. So yup. So here guys, Kay is doing an outline of my new brows right now. She is so awesome, by the way. You should check her out. So yep, okay, more way to go. Alright mga loves, this is how it looks like right now. It's a little dark because you know, it's just it's just got applied, and we're gonna do the healing process for a few days. So yes, she's so good. Say hi, Kay.
Hi, hello everybody. Hello.
Yep, so we'll see. Hi love, so I just got home, and this is how it looks like right now. I know it looks crazy, it's too dark, but it's just normal for now, and it's gonna fade away in a few days with the healing process. So yep, and then they give me this kit for my ointment. So I need to apply this thing like 5 to 6 times in a day. So just to keep it moisturized, you don't want the eyebrow area there to be really dry, and I couldn't wash my face for 3 days, so I'll just have to do washcloth or cotton pads and something like that. And if I want to take a shower, just do it like that here from the back. So it's just a matter of how you take good care of it to make sure so it have an awesome result. And I'm gonna check into you guys every now and then, maybe pretty much if I have time, like every day, because according to Kay, the healing process will last up to 10 days, so depending on the person. So I'm so happy guys, I finally can save time doing my eyebrows and stuff like that. So alright, so see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning love. So we are in day 2. So far I might gonna do this tomorrow outside so you can see it closely, but right, you're in my shower room right now. This is how it looks like. I know it is dark, it's really dark, which I'm not freaking out because I'm already aware of that, and I was informed. It's probably because of the blood and the ink combined together with the hair in there, so you know how they scrape and do the shading, so that's normal. So I did do my skincare in the morning already. I just wash it here and then wipe my eyes in here and use clean also my forehead, but using only cotton pads like 3 times. And then I didn't put any moisturizer down below here close to my eyebrow. What I did is I just put it right here close to my hairlines. That's where I get dryness very easily. So I put the moisturizer, and then I put sunscreen and stuff like that. But I also put sunscreen here, but also close to my hairline as well. Don't use too close because it's gonna sink into your eyebrows, so that's not gonna be good. So far I'm liking it. I don't feel any soreness anymore. I think I forgot to mention that I feel soreness yesterday. It's probably because of the scraping and you know, like scraping and shading and wiping more often to do that, and then that's part of the procedure. And so except that I didn't put my ointment yet. This is what they give me, SNL vitamin A and D ointment. This is really good. Temporarily protects minor cuts, scrapes and burns. Temporarily protect and helps chop or crack skin and lips. Help protect lips from drying effects of wind and cold weather. So yep, this is what I am gonna be using, and I have one more here. It's almost the same thing, this one. So yep, so I'll be checking in tomorrow as well and show you how it looks like. So yep, it's still a little redness in there. All right, see you tomorrow loves. Bye. Good morning sunshine. So we are in day 3 today. So this is how it looks like right now. So far it's still the same, it's still dark. I'm not seeing any scabbing yet, but again, the soreness is gone. It's not there anymore. Other than here in this part, because this is the part that I barely don't have a skin. I mean a hair, not skin. So that's the part there when I put the ointment or touch it with Q-tips, I can feel a little like bruise or something like that. It might gonna be gone tomorrow or the next day. So by the way, I haven't mentioned that for those who wanted to know what's the level pain of having your eyebrow microbladed, out of 10 it's only 2. Me personally, I do have my own tattoo. Oh, that is very painful, especially depends on which part of your body where you're having a tattoo. But microblading, it's just nothing. I think it depends on the person how they numb you up. That's very important part. And right now and also I did my skincare already, but right now I'm gonna show you how I put the ointment. But again, you have to prevent not washing the eyebrows yet for a few days. So you're not gonna be putting a lot, just this amount, not too much but not less as well. So you just have to put in the area like that, very gently and very slowly, just enough to cover the area. And the other side as well. So I heard that this is gonna be itchy when it's healing, so we'll see about that. Alright, pretty much that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, love. So we are in day 4 right now. So I'm here right next to my window, and I opened the blinds, so it's more like we can see what's going on in there. So far this is how it looks like right now. Nothing so much changes. I'm not seeing any scabbing, but I am doing good. It looks like its healing process is very fast, other than it's itchy. So what I'm doing is I do like that, poke the skin right next to my eyebrow, because you cannot scratch it since it's itchy. When you have a wound and it's in a healing process, you know how it got itch, something like that. So it's part of the thing, I guess, that you have to worried about, but nothing really major. So one thing that I want to share to you, I was told that I have to avoid exposure from sunlight, and then avoid spicy food and liquor. So but I'm not worried about it because I'm not into a spicy person, and I don't drink anymore. So yep, so far that's it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, loves. So we are in day 4 right now. As you can see, I get dressed because when I woke up this morning, I freaked out a little bit. I understand that the scabbing part is normal. Literally it was itching like 24 hours, but I managed to do it, but it wasn't itchy right now. I already put an ointment, so you see it that it's shining. It's scabbing. There's a little spot in here, but there's a big spot in here that's scab. I made a phone call to the shop, and I want Kate to see it. They said that it's normal. I took a picture and sent it to them, but so we'll see if I get home, and let's see what she can say with this. Okay, and I'll see you later. Good morning, sunshine. So we're in day 6. So I updated to you yesterday, and I told you that I was freaking out because there's like one piece on my left eyebrow that's missing. So when I hurriedly went to the place and I spoke to Kay, and she was actually smiling at me because it's part of the process. Because what I got, actually, it's 2 different types. It's a microblading and a micro shading. So there's a shading there. Since my eyebrows is very sparse, it's very thin, it will easily get flake. So I got a really bad scabbing right now, and it's patchy, as you could see. Here's in this part here, in there, and then it's kind of patchy in here, but it's the color, it's showing a little bit than it was yesterday. It's like white in there, and there's here on top. So that's part of the healing process, and according to what I get informed yesterday, day 5 to 10 it will be itchy, which I'm not itching anymore. Itchy, flaking, and patchy, and it looks like, it sounds like your eyebrow will be disappear, the entire thing. But from day 10 to 14 or day 10 to 15, it will go back to normal, the color that I choose, which is the light medium brown. And we'll see about that. I might gonna check into you guys up to day 10 only. So we're in day 6 right now, and I'm still gonna do a film or take a video if my eyebrows will go back in normal, and it's when if it is totally healed. So that's it, the big major changes today. I wanna show it to you one more time, and yep, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, loves. So today is day 7. So far, nothing major changes going on. In fact, it's the same thing. It's the same thing from yesterday. So they are flaking off and scabbing, other than I put ointment right away before I film myself because I woke up very late. I went to bed very late as well last night. So yep, so I would like to tell you guys that this might gonna be just a 10-day healing process that I'm gonna show you, and so on day 10 that will be my last one. But other than that, I don't think there's gonna be changes because I was expecting like this already, going scabbing, flaking from 5 to 10 days, 10 days to 15 days is gonna get lighter, like all my eyebrows will be vanished. That's it. Let me show you really quick. There's some scabbing right here, if you notice that, and right here some part it's just like it's missing, but that's it. Okay, and I will see you next time. Good morning, sunshine. So we are in day 8, and this is how it looks like right now. Nothing, there's no changes going on other than it's still flaking off and scabbing, especially this area in here, if you could see it, and there's like the big spot that's missing in here. And again, as what I've said, I'm not freaking out anymore. I stopped freaking out because this is part of the process, and this will look good at the end of the day. I'm hoping so. So I guess that's it right there, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi love, so we are in day 10 finally. So we are here right next to my window so you can see it closely. So today it's less scabbing now. You could tell here that it's still flaking up a little bit, but not as much like yesterday. And I noticed that the color is showing out a little bit, but I know in a few days from now it's gonna fade off again. But this is probably gonna show the right color that I like, the light medium brown, like which is like soft brown, maybe after 30 days. So yeah, so far I'm liking the result. And yep, let me take you to the shower room, okay? So I am just gonna show you closely also, if you can see it. So like right here it's less scabbing now. It's, and right here compare yesterday, there's like a big chunk in here yesterday, but it went gone. It's not there anymore. So other than that, yep, I'm so happy. Like from now on in the morning I don't have to worry about my brows. I have brows on, and if I'm getting late to work, all I have to do is put the tinted sunscreen and powder and lipstick, and that's it. So overall, if you were to ask me if I am happy or if I'm satisfied, yes I am, 200%. And I advise, I don't want to recommend, but advise for those people out there that been thinking to have their brows microbladed, like me, having a thin and sparse brow, go ahead, do it. It might be a little pain in the butt at first, like, you know, the sacrifice, like taking a shower, putting face towel in your face, and you cannot let the water run for several days, like 10 days, and I can finally take a shower later in a normal basis. But you still have to be careful about rubbing your face. You can wash the forehead now with your facial cleanser, but don't rub it with your eyebrows. So yep, I have been considering this procedure for quite some time now, and I finally made it. So yep. Alright, mga loves, so let me show it to you like one more time, okay? So it's stopped flaking off in here. There's no scabbing anymore, other than here, if you could tell, there's a little back here, so I couldn't see really yet what's gonna happen tomorrow, other than, of course, I told you that I'm going to take a shower on a regular basis, so water will be coming off to my, running to my face. So like that, and the other side also, but the color in this side is started showing out already. Alright, so that's all, guys. So if you have any question, just let me know and write a comment down below. I'm gonna answer all the best I can. And for those out there who's again thinking about having their eyebrows microblading, go ahead, do it. It's a little, you know, sacrifice and pain in the butt at first, but at the end of the day, it is very beneficial and worth it. Yes, definitely, it is like an investment to me. Yep, I hope you learned from this video today, mga loves, and if you did like it, a big thumbs up is truly appreciated. And please don't forget to subscribe if new here and hit the bell button so you will be notified each time if I have an upcoming video. And I will see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.